is, okay, do you still remember the name? Strictly increasing function, right? Strictly increasing function. What is a strictly increasing function? If the function graph from left to right, that means x increase, the corresponding value increase. Okay, so you can see the graph, it goes from left to right, it goes up, it goes up, it goes up. That's the feature of the graph. Okay, the second one, we want to show you another exponential function. For example, y is equal to, okay, 1/2, sorry, 1/2. Oh, 1/2. X. Okay, you can see the graph here. The blue one is the function, is the graph of the function y is equal to 1/2 to the power of x. Okay, this one is the blue one. It's the graph of it. Okay, the green one is this one. Okay, so you can see that the same property. What's the same property? What's the same property? They all have y-intercept at the point 0, 1, right? At the point 0, 1. But they have different properties about the green one from left to right, it goes up. But the blue one from left to right, it goes down. Okay, that's the difference. That's the difference. Okay, can you get it? Okay. So the blue one from left to right, it goes down. We call the function is, okay, do you still remember the name? Strictly decreasing function. Strictly decreasing function. Okay. That means if x increase, the corresponding value y decrease. Okay. x 越大 y 越小。Okay, x 越大 y 越小 strictly decreasing function. That's the feature of it. Okay, 好 no problem here. Do you have any problem about this graph, about these properties? No? Okay, one more question. One more question. The green one, the blue one, okay, can you see? It's very close to the x-axis. Very, very close to the x-axis. Okay, you can see that. But I have a question. Do they have any point of intersection? Yes or no? Why? Why no? Because they don't have, that's the answer. Okay, they don't have any point of intersection because the value of the function value is not equal to 0 ever. Okay, you can see 2 to the power of x, no matter x, what is the x? You can see the corresponding value, the function value is not equal to 0 ever, right? Okay, so you can know that the blue one is very close to the x-axis, but it never. Okay, there is no any point of intersection. The green one is closer. Okay, the green one is closer. Okay, so you can understand they don't have any point of intersection here. But in math, we call this kind of situation, we call the x-axis is what? What is x? Axis. How to say that? The x-axis is very close to our graph, right? But they are not equal. They don't have any point of intersection. How to describe this in math? We have a spatial name, right? How to describe it? OK， 渐近线，好，渐近线 ，asymptote， 好，asymptote。OK， in English, asymptote. That's right. OK, math, we call it 渐近线 in Chinese. In English, asymptote. Asymptote. OK. The x-axis is the asymptote of the graph of the exponential function. OK, you can see that. OK, any question here? No? OK. If you don't have any questions, OK, I want to invite one of you to come here and show me some exponential function, some graphs of the exponential function. OK, Henry, first one. Here, come here. Can you show me? OK, you just type. Can you show me the function y is equal to 3 to the power of x? Okay, the great one, right? Okay. So you can use the software to solve many questions, to solve many problems. Okay, we have this kind of tools, you have to use them. You don't use the basic method, okay, find many points, draw them on the plane. Oh, it's not a good one. Okay, you use the tool to plot the graph. Okay, no problem. I got another one. One. Okay, please come here. One. Can you please show me the graph of the function y is equal to 1 over 3 to the power of x? Okay. Okay. X times x. Okay. You can see that the orange one is the y of 1 over 3 to the power of x graph. Any questions? No. Okay. Let's go on. The next one. We want to talk about properties of the graphs of the exponential functions. Let's see. Okay, let's see the table. Okay, range of A, the base. Range of A. If A is greater than 1, we can see the graph of the function is like this one, right? It's like this way. Okay, it goes up from left to right. If A is greater than 0, but smaller than 1, the graph is like this way. From left to right, it goes down. It goes down. Okay, so we can see the graph. Let's try to play. Graph of y is equal to a to the power of x. Okay, we can separate 2 times. And common properties. Let's see. First one. Okay, the graph has the y-axis at the point 0, 1. Okay, any question? You got it? Okay. The second one. Second, the graph does not have the axis. Does not have the x-axis. It lies above the x-axis. For each value of x, the value of y is positive. Okay, any problem? You can get that? You can catch that. Understand? What does it mean? The graph does not have the x-axis. That means they don't have any point of intersection, right? The graph and then the x-axis, they don't have any point of intersection. Okay, so the graph does not cut the x-axis. It lies above the x-axis. What does it mean? What does it mean it lies above? The whole graph is above the x-axis, right? Okay. For each value of x, the value of y is positive. Okay. In question, we say the exponential function is the feature of it. All of the function values of exponential functions, their function values are all positive. All positive. Okay, 3. The graph of y is equal to 1 over a to the power of x, and the y is equal to a to the power of x are the image of each other. What does it mean? Image of each other. Image of each other. What does it mean? 我泥中有你，你泥中有我，是这种概念，对不对 ？Okay, this kind of concept. 什么意思？就是 okay. Are the image of each other when reflected in the y-axis. OK， 意思就是如果我把 y 轴当一面镜子，我把 y 轴当一面镜子，这两个函数的图形会怎样？像照镜子一样，对吧 ？OK， 好，所以也就是什么概念？一句话，两个字 ，interlace 对称 ，OK，symmetry，OK，symmetry 好，来。The graphs of these two functions are similar. What's that? Symmetry. Okay. The graphs of these two functions are symmetric, and the y-axis is the axis of symmetry. Okay, so understand? The y-axis is the axis of symmetry. Okay, 对称轴。好，对称轴，这样可以吗？好，所以 we say these two exponential functions are symmetric. Okay, symmetric. And the fourth one, the graph is concave upward. Okay, do you still remember what is concave upward? What is concave upward? Okay, who can say that? Who can explain that? What is concave upward? Does anyone still remember that? Concave upward. Okay, what is? Who can explain concave upward in English? Who can do this? Why you want to try to explain what is concave upward in English? You want to try? Okay, Jimmy, you want to try? A little shy? You want to try? Okay, you can try. Don't be afraid. You want to try? Okay, come here. And give you a big hand, right? And we want to deep breath. Draw the line, and we will always above this breath. Okay. Very good, very good. Give me a big hand. Very good. Okay, if we pick any 2 points on the graph, if the line segment 线段 line segment if the line segment always lies above the graph of the exponential function, that means the line segment is always above the graph of the exponential function. We say this kind of graph is concave upward. Okay, concave upward. So no matter the base is greater than 1 or the base is smaller than 1, this kind of graphs, they are all concave upward. This kind of graph is the same, concave upward, right? Okay, so you know what is concave upward? No, Robert? If this kind of graph, this kind of curve, is it still concave upward? If this kind of graph, is it still concave upward? No, it's concave downward. Because the line segment is always below the graph, right? Okay, so you can determine what kind of situation is concave upward, what kind of situation is concave downward. Okay, different. Okay, these are common properties of the graphs. Okay, and the last part is different properties. Okay, please note that different properties, different. Okay, first one, the graph slopes upward from left to right. The graph slopes upward from left to right. That means it goes up, right? If the base is greater than 1, the graph slopes upward from left to right. That means from left to right, it goes up. It goes up. Okay. And the second one, when the value of x increase, the value of y increase. That means it is strictly increasing function. Okay, no problem. If the base is less than 1, okay, we can get the graph slopes downward from left to right. Okay, it goes down. It goes down. If the base is smaller than 1, it goes down. The graph goes down. When the value of x increase, the value of y decrease. Okay, that means it is a strictly decreasing function. Okay, any question about these properties? Okay, all, anyone have any question? No? Okay, now let's go. Now it's your turn. Let's see. We have some questions for you to discuss. Okay, question 1, example 1. The three curves in the figure represent the graphs of the exponential functions. Y is equal to 5 to the power of x. Y is equal to a to the power of x, and y is equal to b to the power of x. There are three exponential functions where a and b are constants. What does it mean, constants? Constants, 常数. Okay, 常数. Okay, question A. Determine whether the value of A is greater than, equal to, or less than 5. Okay, do you know what does it mean? Do you know what it means? Okay, determine whether the value of A is greater than, equal to, or less than 5. Okay, that's question 1. Question 2. If the graphs of y is equal to b to the power of x and y is equal to 5 to the power of x are symmetrical about the y-axis, that means these two functions are symmetry. Symmetry. Okay, they are symmetry. Find the value of b. Okay, we have two questions. Now, please, each group, we have discussion time. 4 minutes. Okay, go. Get a paper and write down the answers and discuss. I will call one of you to come here and solve the question and talk about how you think about the question. And 3 minutes. Two minutes. 2 minutes. Very wonderful. No problem. Very easy. Show us. Okay, 1 minute. Anyone from? Okay. You are very confident. You should be very confident of this. Okay, time's up. Any volunteer want to come here and share your thoughts? 810, you want to come here? 810? 810? Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
And the value of A if we draw a line here. And this is a number. And don't think of one number is just a number. And this is the green line. And so the same number of the x-axis. So the value of A is less than 5. You can see here. And next one, as symmetrical, so A, Y, and B equals.
So A is greater or less?
A is less than 5.
Okay.
And the second one, because Y equals to these two functions are symmetrical about the y-axis. And so phi and b equals to 1, so b equals to 1 over 5.
Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Okay. In the presence properties, we say if there are two functions, two exponential functions are symmetric about the y-axis, that means the one is y is equal to a to the power of x, and the other is y is equal to 1 over a to the power of x. That means, okay, please look in here. If y and x and y is equal to b to the power of x are symmetry or are symmetrical about y-axis, we can say what's the relationship between A and B? Okay, can you tell me if these two exponential functions are symmetrical about y-axis? Okay, what's the relationship between A and B? We can get A times B is equal to 1, right? A times B is equal to 1. Okay, so y is equal to 5 to the power of x, and the y is equal to b to the power of x. This kind of two exponential functions are symmetrical about the y-axis. So b times 5 is equal to 1. That means b is equal to 1 over 5, right? Okay. Okay, the example 1. No problem? Any question? No? Okay, let's see another question. Okay, please see. Example 2. The figure shows the graphs of the exponential function y is equal to a to the power of x and y to the is equal to b to the power of x, where a and b are constants. The graph of y is equal to b to the power of x is the image. Okay, the key point is here. This function is the image of the graph of y is equal to a to the power of x when reflected in the y-axis. What does it mean? What does it mean? They are symmetric, right? These two functions are symmetric. What is the axis of symmetry? What is the axis of symmetry? Can you tell me? What is the axis of symmetry? According to this description, what is the axis of symmetry? What is the axis of symmetry? Axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. 这是什么 ？What is this? Axis of symmetry. 对称轴。Okay, 对称轴。Okay, can you tell me, according to this description, what is the axis of symmetry? Y-axis, right? Y-axis is the axis of symmetry. So, these two functions are symmetric. That means here, A times B is equal to 1, right? A times B is equal to 1. Okay, that means. So if the sum of A and 1 over B is greater than 7, suggest a pair of possible values of A and B. Okay, I give you 4 minutes. Okay, here we go. Discuss the problem and solve it. Suggest a pair of possible values of A and B. That means the possible values many are many. You just want find one pair. Okay. You must have many possible values of A and B. You just give me one pair. It's okay. There are many possible values of A and B. You just give me one here. It's enough. Yeah. One here. Something you should know. One here. Any one. 任何所以 each of you may have different solutions, right? Each of you might have different solutions. Okay, 1 minute. Him. No, him. Okay, time's up. I invite him come here. Him, please come here and share your thoughts. Him, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you ready? Not yet. Oh, Kwan, you want to come here? Kwan, you want to come here? Anyone? Henry? 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 You want to come here? Okay? Okay, please. Let's give him a big hand. Henry, come. Don't be shy. Okay. Come here. Because okay, come here. Right? Don't be shy. Possible values. Okay. A is greater than 7/2. So you give me one answer value. 4. Okay, A is equal to 4. Example, the possible value. That means any possible value is okay. So maybe we can get A is equal to 4. If A is equal to 4, B is equal to 1 over 4. I just need one pair, right? One pair of possible values. 任何一组可能的值，只要满足条件都可以。所以看懂这句话 ，suggest a pair of possible values， 任何一组可能的值都是对的。所以我们是刚才说吗？你们可能的答案都怎样？都不一样。你说老师 ，A 等于9/2，可不可以？可以吧？只要大于7/2，是不是都可以？好，9/2可以啊。所以 B 等于多少？就这样。OK， 这个叫做 possible values， 它没有标准答案。OK， 只要可能满足条件的都是对的。好，这样了解意思吗？这是香港的题目，所以各位有时候国外的题目有一个好处就是它不会有标准答案，不见得有，它是看你的想法对不对而已。好，那台湾的题目一般来说比较要求什么？标准。好，比较要求标准答案。OK， 所以呢，不要被自己吓到了，说哇怎么办 ？OK， 怎么办？好 ，we still have some time. Let's see another question. Example 3. Let's see. Okay, read it. A new computer virus spreads on the internet. The number N of infected computers after T hours can be estimated by the following formula. N is equal to 300 plus k to the power of t, where k is a constant. It is known that the number of infected computers after 2 hours is 507. Okay. First one, find the value of k. Second one, after the virus is discovered, will the number of infected computers be less than 300? Okay, do you understand? Do you understand the question? Or you don't understand? Understand. If you understand, raise your hand, please. You understand what does it mean? Raise your hand. Only one. If you understand what does it mean, okay, please raise your hand. Okay, don't be shy. You understand? Raise your hand. Okay. 我用中文解释一次哈，因为有很多同学不太懂。他说有一个新的电脑病毒 spreads 哈，就是怎样，散播 on the internet 好，在 internet 上面散播。The number N 好，那个大写的 N 哈 of infected computer 就是怎样被感染的哈，被这个病毒侵袭的这些电脑的数目哈，这个 N 就是代表被电脑侵袭的这些电脑的数目，在7个小时之后可以被测量。然后呢 ，by the following formula 就是利用这个公式 ，OK 可以去计算被感染、被这个病毒侵袭感染的电脑数量 ，OK 它是会 follow 这个公式 ，N 等于300乘以 k 的 p 次方，这样可以了解吗？好，意思就是这样哈。好，然后呢，他这边给了一个条件哈 ，It is known that the number of infected computers after 2 hours is 507. 意思就是2个小时之后被电脑感染侵袭的电脑数目总共有多少？507。OK， 这是它的条件，有507部电脑被这个病毒侵袭了哈，被它感染了。好，请你求一下这个要不要你 find the value of k， 找一下 k 的值等于多少。第二个 ，after the virus is discovered， 好，在这个病毒被发现之后呢 请问你被感染的电脑数量呢，会不会少于300？各位，要想一下 ，discussion 5 minutes。你觉得该怎么下？What's the key point? This one here. It's the condition, right? It is known that the number of infected computers after 2 hours is 507. Okay, we should use these conditions to solve pain. We solve pain. Okay, so we have the formula. N is equal to 300 times 10 to the power of t. And we use the conditions. Okay, so we can solve what k is. Okay, try use that. Okay. 好，各位可以想想看哈，利用这个公式，把题目给你的这个条件，好带进来，然后去把 k 求出来。OK，first one 大概是这样的一个概念哈。好，我们时间到了哈。OK，dismiss，see you next time。
好，团队自卑。